Hello everyone, today, in this video, I am going to show you how to add clickable link on your YouTube channel bio. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, open your YouTube studio, and tap on top right your profile icon. After that, you have to click on this pencil icon. Now here you have to click on front of the link pencil icon. Now here, click on Add. Add your link name here, then paste your link below. After pasting the link, click on Done. Also click on top right Save button. Now here you can see, clickable link has been added on my YouTube channel bio. Thanks watching this video.